big focus that we have for you this evening is the latest update as far as NEET paper leak probe is concerned. Now we have some big news coming in right now. What we have learnt is that two people have been arrested already in this particular case. Two very important people, Kulkarni and Manisha Waghmare, and they were produced in the Delhi Rouse Avenue Court earlier. According to the Central Bureau of Investigation, accused Dhananjay allegedly collected examination material from Manisha Vaghmare. CBI then informed the court that Waghmare was in regular touch with Dhananjay and was also linked to Kulkarni through Manisha Mandhare, who has been arrested. Who in fact has also got arrested in this particular case after questioning. The probe agency has alleged that the accused were involved in the distribution of leaked NEET UG question paper. CBI has now sought 14-day custody of both accused in this case, saying that their custodial interrogation is necessary as they may need to be taken to different parts of the country to get more details in this particular case. And we have some more breaking inputs, in fact, coming in right now. And these are related to Kulkarni, how he is trying to defend his case. According to him, it is NTA that decides whose question paper will actually go. So this is the defense of Kulkarni. Let me go across to my colleague Bhavtosh, who's joining us live right now for more on this. Bhavtosh, big development that has taken place in the Rouse Avenue Court. Firstly, explain to us what exactly happened, what did the CBI say, and what has Kulkarni said in his defense?
Yeah. Well, as far as the hearing is concerned, it happened around an hour back and the court has now reserved the order. But one important argument has been made by the defense counsel. They have said that it is not Kulkarni who has sent the question paper. He's not the one who, in fact, gave the question paper to the students. It is the NTA that decides that Kulkarni's paper would be taken by the board, and the students would be taking that paper. So, who is the person who decided that Kulkarni's paper would be taken by the students on 3rd of May? As far as CBI is concerned, the CBI told the court that he's a subject expert. He was aware of the fact that his question paper would be coming up on 3rd of May. He in fact asked Manisha Vaghmare that she should select a large number of students so that they can come to his coaching institute in Pune. And subsequently, once they were there, he in fact told them that these questions would be appearing on 3rd of May and asked them to learn the answers by heart. And then subsequently, the second change of the leakage happened when the PDF file was made public.
Right. So what you're telling us is quite significant, the kind of defense that has been given, eventually putting the onus on the NTA, that it is the NTA that finally decides whose paper will be taken. Have we heard anything from NTA yet in this regard? And what was the reaction of CBI? Because CBI is seeking 14-day custody of both these accused.
Well, as far as CBI is concerned, remember when the documents were submitted in the court, CBI has made it very clear that they are looking at the possibility of an insider, and twice that they have mentioned in the documents itself. They have mentioned that they are looking at the possibility of NTA officials being called in for questioning. They are looking at the possibility of accused having links with NTA officials, and they have also said that Shubham as well as others could have received the question paper directly from NTA. As you rightly know, in fact, you have heard what the defense has said. Defense has said that it is the NTA officials who finally take a call as to which paper would be coming up in the exam. So there is possibility of Kulkarni and even Manisha having links with the NTA officials. And it could be possible that by next week, NTA officials will be called in for questioning. And even the ministry has made it very clear that if there is a rot within NTA, then agency has been given clear hand to deal with them. And if individuals are found corrupt, then they will be arrested.
Right. Bhavtosh, request you to please stay on with us. Let's also try and understand how Kingpin Kulkarni operated, what we have learned from the sources. Seminars were used for outreach. Students were identified and then individually contacted. Engineering students, in fact, acted as their agents. Agents then connected with the aspirants. There was mock test performance that used to be analyzed. Students were identified after the mock test, and rich students, in fact, specifically were targeted. Payments were demanded from students. payments ranged from 25,000 rupees to 25 lakh rupees. So this is what we have learnt from sources as far as the modus operandi is concerned. Let's